you ever wonder what would happen if a Frenchman designed a Porsche? We're going to find out today in the garage. Let's take a look. So this car is actually a Porsche or a Volkswagen 914. Volkswagen and Porsche worked together in collaboration to come up with the 914, and then ultimately it landed up being called just a Porsche and not a Volkswagen in North America. And a lot of people didn't really care for the design, the original design of the 914, and so there were a bunch of design proposals put out there by independent designers from Italy and from Germany, and one from France, and that's what this is. This is the Hercule Morin, so I'm probably pronouncing this incorrectly, but pardon my French. But I saw this car at the Quail Lodge at the Motorsports Gathering. I thought it was just really, really interesting and unusual, and I just had to share this with you. This is a 914-6. You can read more about this car on the stuttcars.com website that I just wrote a feature article for. I'll give you all the details. It's kind of an interesting story. But in a nutshell, here it is. A very, very unusual car. Car is metal, and the back of it opens up like a transformer to reveal the engine and luggage compartment. Just something you don't see every day, and I just thought I'd share this with you guys. Take a look, and the 914 VW Porsche emblem was a little bit confusing. You can see it was fabrication 1970. Really interesting historic car, and it's a bit weird, but all French cars are kind of weird and avant-garde, and I like French cars just because they are so different and fun, a lot of times whimsical and just strange, just fun. The interior is pretty much original design that would be in a 914, you would find in a 914-6. But just had to share this really special prototype French-bodied Porsche 914-6 here today in the garage.